As you can see, we are inside the superhero network. We can register here, but we are gonna log in because I have already made an account. So we are gonna log in. As we can see, superhero network, all the details and all the superheroes have posted something here. We can read and see all the details of a post. And this is the navigation bar. This is my profile, and this is who to follow section, where we can see the top influencers. I'm gonna go with Tony Stark. When I click on it, I can see his profile, Tony Stark, with 5 posts. I can see his display picture, his name, username. I can see his description, location, website, and date of joining. I can also see how many people he is following or being followed by. And when I click on follow, you can see that the followers count increased, and I can see the buttons change to unfollow. I can also see the post, what he posted, only the post that he posted, not everybody else. I can go to my profile. I can see my display picture here, and I can also see I have not posted anything yet, my username and my date of joining. I'm following one person right now, no post yet. I can also search from my search bar Superman, Batman, Tony Stark, and my own name. I can also search other people. I can see Thanos here, so I'm gonna go with that. And there are 5 posts by Thanos. His details are here. 0 following, 0 followers. I'm gonna follow him. Okay, he has 1 follower now. And the post that he posted, I'm gonna go to all posts, and I can see all the posts by all the superheroes. I can like some of them if I would, and I can interact with them, can scroll with them. When I go to down, I can go to the next page after 10 posts, and I can see another set of posts. Again, I can go to next page. I'm gonna go to the following page, where I can only see the posts by people whom I am following. So Tony Stark and Thanos only here, no other posts. I can go to for you, which is basically all posts, and following, which is following. Again, I'm gonna make a new post right now, and I'm gonna post it. When I post it, I can see right now it is posted. I can like it. I can also edit this post. I cannot edit anybody else's post. I can only edit my post. When I click on edit, I get 2 buttons, and I can edit the text area. I can write anything I want. After editing, I can save the post, and here it is. There is an option to subscribe to premium, where I can get a blue tick like Tony Stark, we can see here. I can also do this in settings, so I will go to the settings. I can edit anything like first name or last name, all these details. I'm gonna write my profile description. I'm gonna save it. I can also edit display picture. I'm gonna choose my display picture. Location, I'm gonna just put any website here. It doesn't exist. I'm gonna subscribe here, and as I do save, this box of subscribe to premium gonna removed. See, the box is now removed. Subscribe to premium. I can see a blue tick here with all the places where my name appears. My description is here, all the details are here, and my profile is well maintained. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment or subscribe. Thank you.